Hey guys, welcome to Daily Leetcode. Today we're doing question number 2418, sort the people. So in this question, you are given an array of strings, names, and an array heights that consist of distinct positive integers. So what they're asking us to do here, if you go and check the example, so let's say we have this names array, which has some names, and then we have this heights array, which has some heights, and the output should look something like that. So in this case, Mary is the tallest, followed by Emma and John. So in this case, when we map this Mary to this height, we get the Mary's height get 180, John's height get 165, and Emma's 170. So that's why like Mary comes first, and then Emma and John. So that's the basic thing. So you can consider this as the names array, and this is as the height array, and you need to map them. And then you need, when you map, you will get some array, right? And then you need to return in the order of decreasing order, I think. Yeah, in descending order, you need to return that. So if you still don't understand, let me go to board and explain like what we should do and how can we solve this problem. So in this problem, we have this names array, and then we have this heights array. So A's height is 3, B's height is 1, and C's height is 2. And if we check the order, A is the tallest, right? And then comes C, and then comes B. So we should get, so this should be our answer. So this is the highest height, this is the lowest height. So you can do this question by different ways. We will be using hash map here. So if we convert our names and heights into a hash map, so let's say the A get 3, C get 2, and B get 1, right? So this is the desired output. But what we have A at 3, B at 1, and C at 2, because we are mapping this way. So how can we sort this object? How can we sort it? So you can use something called the sort method given by JavaScript. You can use that. But the thing is, you can't use sort method directly on the objects, right? So what we can do, we can put this inside an array like this, and let's call this array people. So we can do like people dot sort, and we can pass our two variable here, A and B, and we can sort like B of height minus A of, because if you see here, this is a height array and this is a names array, right? So if we sort that way, we will get our desired object, and then we can map over this array. So people dot map person, and then we can get our person dot name, and that way we will get A, C, and B in return. So that's how like you can solve this problem in JavaScript. And now jump to our code editor and let's see how we can code this in JavaScript. So here is the JavaScript code for our algorithm. So we are passing names and heights arrays. The first thing we're doing is we are mapping names with height so that we can get our name and height in a form of object inside an array. So that will be an array of object. And after that, we will be sorting that object. And at the end, we will be just returning the names. So if I submit this solution, our solution is submitted. And to check the complexity of this code, because we're using sorting here, the sorting is of n log n, and the mapping is of n here and here. So the overall time complexity of this code will be of n log n, and the space complexity of this code will be of n. We will be needing these variables to store those values. So I think that's it from today's question. I'll see you tomorrow with a new Leetcode question. Thanks a lot for watching.